All right, Craig, on to our gotcha of the week that we found.
Oh, wow. Did you know about this before we found this?
I did not know about it.
Okay. Let's say you've assigned someone a paid seat in your portal. Okay, user A, they've got a sales pro seat. User A leaves the company. We'll deactivate them. It keeps a hold of that paid seat license. I don't understand why it doesn't just prompt you. You're deactivating this user. Would you like to free up any paid seats they have? Surely that would... I don't understand it. Anyway, it caught me by surprise. We're doing a coaching call earlier this week with a client, Ian, you and I, and we're like this, and they're like, we've run out of seats. And then we started going through their users. No, that user's no longer there. They've got a paid seat. We freed up about 5 or 6 paid seats for them. Saved them a whole bunch of money right there on the spot. Anyway, I don't want to say, maybe that's why this gotcha's in there. But anyway, what do you do? So you don't deactivate them straight away. First of all, you have to remove the paid seat. Now, if you've got enterprise, we do this with permission sets. We actually create a permission set called removal permissions. And one of the things that does is actually remove any paid seats. So the flow is we just have this. We've got a screenshot of it, remove all permissions, and it has no paid seats. Whenever someone leaves the company, we go, right, set them to this permission set, removes all permissions, and then we deactivate them. That's the process. And it clears up any paid seats so other people can use them. The only thought I had was, why wouldn't you do this? And the only reason I could think of is maybe you're going to deactivate them for a month. Maybe you expect them to come back to the business. I'm not sure why. They're going on long service leave. You're just deactivating while they're away. And then you want to reactivate them and for them to pick up where they left off with the same permissions and paid seat. Maybe. It seems like a bit of an edge case to me, but that might be the exception. Anyway, that's it. That's the process. If you don't have enterprise and permission sets, then the process is 1, remove the paid seat first, then deactivate the user. I hope that's helpful to people. And actually, you know what? We should have made this the one thing, Ian. Go and check if you've got paid seats allocated to
people that
deactivated users. We might save you a bit of money right there.